everyone, and today I'm going to be opening some special slime or putty, and we're going to be playing with my very good friend, a boxer. As you can see, it's very cute. Once you turn it on, he's even cuter. We have a ball, so if you put him there, and he'll chase the ball around. And we have a remote control, so we get to control him. We don't always have to do it, but this is, oops, I don't want that on. It's on red, but who cares? And we've got this game card, so I've not figured this out yet, but we're not going to be using these, so we might use the ball. And we've got the oosh putty. I said oosh in a weird way. I'm sorry I've not been posting like 6 months, but you know, sometimes I just don't have the time to do it and all that. So yeah, so we're going to open the oosh putty. It is, by the way, it is a blizzard putty. I'm not even all in shock because, you know, I'm filming and, you know, I have to swipe it like an angle down, so yeah. So this is what it looks like. Really nice. So we're going to open it. So let's see. Hopefully. Ooh. So luckily it's just not like stuck in there. It's in like a special bag. You can tell. Now you can. So it's like, it looks really nice if you look at it closely. Come on, focus. Because I'm filming on an Apple iPad right now. So luckily it's like a Samsung. Because, you know, if it's a Samsung, it'll go a bit blurry. Now I'm not bullying you, Samsungers. So, yeah. So then, this feels amazing. I wish you guys could come over and feel it, but some of us live in different countries all really far away from each other, so we can't really do it. But, you know, if you were allowed to come over, that would be well good. I don't have as many followers. I was going to buy quite a lot of them, but for my Christmas money. This is with my Christmas money. But I was going to buy that, but, you know, I didn't really, because I don't have that many subscribers. I said followers, I meant subscribers. I have quite a lot of followers on TikTok, you know. I'm not showing off or anything. So, yeah. I don't have a million, I only have like 1,000 or something. It's still quite a lot, but you know. If you want to know my TikTok account, Sophia W Squad. Or if you wanted to go to my other one, it's buddy underscore elf 123. So yeah, and I have another one, Sophia underscore loves underscore spot 35. I'm gonna put every single one of my TikTok accounts in the description. I did it last time when I did my funny TikTok videos. Yeah, you know. So this is how it looks. Yeah, it looks really nice. It's a bit light, as you can see. The light. Okay, and I do feel a bit. Well, I think I've got a bit of a cold because I have snotty nails. I'm probably gonna get a tissue after this video. Wow, this is a blizzard one, if you saw. So it's really nice. It's like nice and blue, so yeah. And make sure you follow Ava M Grace and xx.ava.xx on TikTok because they're the best. Like, she's the best. You gotta follow her. And she did a slime challenge like a year ago, literally a year ago. We did the slime challenge. That's who she was, by the way, Ava. She doesn't have a YouTube account yet, but she might get one soon. Okay, so this actually feels quite nice. Sorry, I just have to keep on sniffing my nose. So obviously, if it all came out, it would be a bit embarrassing, right? For me, it would, because I'm actually filming a YouTube video. So yeah. that's what it looks like. I think it's really nice. And I've only just unboxed this, so it's my only time playing with it. So I don't really get that much time to play with it. So I've got like school very soon, which is quite sad. I really want to just like be with you guys and post loads. I would post loads, but I'm just so busy with schoolwork. It's just all mayhem, and I always play out quite a lot. And sometimes I'm filming a YouTube video, but then I'm like, great, I have to play out. Because obviously, my friends will be quite sad if I didn't play out, and I know you guys will be quite sad if I didn't post for ages. But, you know, sometimes this happens. So, this is Boxer. Very cute. Very, very cute. So, we're going to turn him on. As you can see, he is on. What are they? I never noticed it. He has like these. Why is it showing like purple lights? So. Oh. Ooh. You like ooh. So this is what Boxer looks like. He's got like purple lights, which I can't even see, but you guys can see. And for us, it's got like a yellow. You've got darker yellow. It shows. So we're gonna put some big. So now he's on. Look at him. Right, we're not gonna put him on. Nope. Wait, watch this, guys. Watch him. Come on. Oh yeah, he just does that. So we're gonna move him like that. See, I'm controlling him right now. As you can see, I'm pressing forward. Oh yeah. We'll move him back. I'm gonna move him side. I'm having a guess he's gonna go side so I can prove it. Yep. Oh, he's gonna go forward. Come on. Now go. And now he's gonna go forward. Back, forward, back. Right, he can't get up that way, but he can get up that way. Okay. Oh yeah. That's pretty much what we hear from him. He's like, oh yeah. And he really likes it if we stroke this part. If we stroke this part. Sugar. Okay, let's put him back up. So I'm just going to knock him over. He's well good at it. I got this present for Christmas. So I just want to say Merry Christmas, everyone. Well, it's kind of gone past Christmas Day, but you know. So this is what Boxer does. Very cute. So, yeah, and we're going to use the ball. So I'm going to turn it off somehow. So he's not on it now. Right, we're going to move him. So now he follows the ball. Ooh, come on. So if you put that on. So as you can see, he's going to follow the ball. Ooh. See, he's following the ball. Look at that! So I wanted to say thank you so much, guys, for watching. I'm pretty sure Boxer says thank you for watching. So see you guys later. Bye.